Hello and welcome to Psychic Development with Lindsey Latham. That is me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the notification bell. This is a series of psychic development exercises meant to help you in your development build clarification and confidence. It's going to be a series of questions, either the answers being numbers or colors, and you're going to write them down. So you want to grab a piece of paper, pause if you need to, and you are going to write the answers down next to the correlating numbers when they come to you. On your piece of paper, you want to write 1 through 10. Looking at the screen, here's an example. Write the answers next to the correlating number of question that we are on. Take a few seconds and intend to connect to the energy of this exercise, your spirit guides, and my energy, all of which will help you in the retrieval of the answers. Pause if needed to prepare because we're about to begin in about 10 seconds or so. Question 1. What color did I choose? And write down. Write down your answer. Question number 2. What number did I choose? And write down. Write down your answer next to number 2. Number 3. What color did I choose? Write down your answer, and don't forget you can always pause if needed. Number 4. What number did I choose? Write down your answer. Question number 5. What color did I choose? Write your answer down, pause if needed. Question number 6. What number did I choose? Write down your answer. Question number 7. What color did I choose? Write down your answer, pause if needed. Question number 8. What number did I choose? Write it down. Question number 9. What color did I choose? Write down your answer next to the number 9. Pause if needed. Question number 10. What number did I choose? Write down your answer. Great job. Now do not change your answers. We're about to do the reveal. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, turn on the notification bell. Answers number 1, color red. Number 2 was 7. Number 3 was the color blue. Answer number 4 was the number 10. Number 5 was the color red. Number 6 was the number 11. Number 7 was the color orange. Number 8 was the number 8. Number 9 was the color green. And number 10 was the number 3. Let me know in the comments how you did in these exercises and if you liked or disliked this video. And as always, I love you guys. Bye.